This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable tab grouping in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To disable tab grouping, if you look up top here, I have a lot of tabs open. I always have a lot of tabs, and I frequently move tabs around. But if you do that wrong, as you can see, that tab behind there is turning blue. That means these two tabs are going to group together. I believe Vivaldi actually calls this tab stacking. But to disable that, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little V logo. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut is Control plus F12 for Settings. Now the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Tabs. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see tab stacking. That's what Vivaldi calls the tab grouping, tab stacking, and it gives you several different options. The first one, if you toggle that one on, it's called compact. The second one, I have this toggled on by default. It's called 2-level. The third one is accordion, but the bottom one, disable. If I toggle on disable, now I'm going to close the settings dialog box. Now if I go back up to my tabs up here, the tabs will no longer stack together. That is how to disable tab grouping in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.